Let's have a look at an argument when our complex number comes into the third quadrant. So I want to put my complex number here, and I'm just going to call this z equals -2 minus 2i. So straight away I can see that this line here, that's got a length of 2. And the line going down also has a length of 2. Just put it in there. Okay, so we've got 2 and 2. Now because of that, and this being a right angle here, makes this angle in here 45 degrees or pi over 4 radians. Now that's not my argument. What I can do to get my argument is I start measuring from here and I go around anti-clockwise, and this is my positive direction. So this is my argument if I come all the way around to there. So that argument then becomes pi up to here and pi over 4. So pi plus pi over 4 becomes 5 pi over 4. That's perfectly okay for my argument. What I can also do is I could measure it going clockwise but coming downwards from that line. So my argument comes to there. Now, all the way from there to here is pi. This is pi over 4. So this way my argument becomes pi take away pi over 4. So it's 3 pi over 4, but it has to be a negative because I'm going in the opposite direction. So both of these are acceptable as my argument. Let's have a look at one last one. And here we're going to put the complex number in the fourth quadrant. And we're going to call this complex number z equals 2 minus 2 square root of 3i. Now you've probably seen those numbers before on the video before. Let's just put that in. That's 2. That line there is 2 root 3 because we're coming down 2 root 3, so it's just about right. And here we've got right angle, 2 here, and 2 root 3. Now, just like we did before, we're going to work out this side here using Pythagoras, and that's 4. And this angle in here, I'm just going to work this angle out, and the cosine of this angle, the cosine of theta, 2 divided by 4, is pi over 3. Now you can double check that with your calculator or with any tables you've got, but that's pi over 3. Straight away I could say, well, my argument can just come down there in a negative direction like that, and my argument is definitely negative pi over 3. So that's one way to write the argument. But what I could also do is come around anti-clockwise and this is positive all the way to here. All the way around is 2 pi. So just to that bit that I want there, that's going to give me 2 pi take away, not equal to, take away pi over 3. So that one gives me a positive value of 5 pi over 3. So either one is okay. I can either have the negative come in clockwise or the positive come in anti-clockwise.